There's a really important feature on LinkedIn that I need to explain to you, so bear with me. It's about the difference between a personality in your own right on LinkedIn and the value of the company page. Let me tell you the honest truth about company page content. It doesn't work. It's completely boring. It has no engagement and attraction to visitors. And when you're typically looking at the value of that content and who's engaging with it, guess what? You find that the people engaging with it are typically the employees that are already in their organisation. It's like they're communicating within their own echo chamber. So this is a problem because many companies who are not aware of how these things work on LinkedIn are putting all their effort into engaging through the company page and having their employees like or share it, which is an utter waste of time. It's very corporate, it's very boring, it's not personalised, nobody engages with it, and the net effect of all that effort is probably that it's a complete waste of time. A complete waste of time, I have to say it. So how do we get around that? What we need to do is turn each of us, people build relationships with people on LinkedIn, they don't build them with companies. So what we need to do is actually build the profiles of your employees, of yourself, to become ambassadors of the brand that employ you. And when done in that way, the power of your engagement on LinkedIn is infinitely greater than the power of you doing it only through a LinkedIn company page profile. So turn your people into ambassadors of that brand, have them network with their environments, with their connections, and have them put their own positive spin on the content which is being created. Both corporate, that's fine, but have some personality as well in there through their own content, being the way in which your brand is masterfully spread throughout the whole of LinkedIn. So in summary, if you're relying upon your company page to be doing the business on LinkedIn, I'm afraid that is a failed strategy. So from here on, consider doing much more by creating a brand ambassadorship through your employees, as well as just the occasional trickle through your company page. Hope you found that helpful.